Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay, curiosity's got the better of me. I checked the front brake last time, so today I want to check the rear brake. Is it going to be better or worse? Let's find out. Keep watching. Excellent. They're both great. It's well stuck. Oh dear. The brake pads look good from here, but the boot or dust cover, they both look out of shape. I guess rubber deteriorates, and 20 years sitting there is a long time. That's a good step. That's brilliant. Look at that. Oh dear. Well out of shape. Dirt that was in there. have a look in here. Golden brown. That's looking rather old brake fluid. Well, we've got movement in one. Well folks, you're not going to believe this. I'm in the middle of doing the rear brakes and the postage just delivered me seals. That's a boot cover for the front caliper. And look at the size difference between those boots. That is just madness. I have double checked the numbers on them and they match up to think that that's what's come off the bike, and it should be that size. Right, back to work. Good. It's coming out now. Oh, the joys of mechanics. I'm going to have to split the caliper just to get the pistons out. Yep, that will do for now. Oh, look at the dirt. That's black in there. Still, I'm happy with that for now. It's a good job done. So I hope you've enjoyed, folks, and thanks for watching. Yep, I think I'll finish cleaning these off camera. It's mad.